Hi guys, I just made another video to show the issue I got with the RCX 450 build, since I cannot really get the full pitch that I need, like -10, +10, or even better 11. So the thing is, this configuration, like you see, it's the servo are put in star configuration, similar to the Storm 450 build, I guess. So all around the main rotor, and yeah, the thing is, I put all the servos on. I level in idle up mode with the motor disconnected. I adjusted with subtrim function, so it's perfectly horizontal. Then I use the swash plate leveling tool to get it right, and then I adjust the links so I have the swash plate leveled, and then I put the rotor head and try to get zero pitch at mid stick. So I have a Valkyra Divo 10 transmitter, which I set up and use with the RX 1002 receiver here. So now I'm in with throttle hold on, so this one has exactly the same curve, pitch curve, as idle up mode. So I will put the transmitter at mid stick. Now I have zero pitch on the blades. I already checked this, and normally all the fly bar cage and everything should be perfectly parallel, but as you can see, this is not parallel at all. So maybe if these two links would be adjustable, then I can get this parallel, so I can reduce the length here, but this is fixed. So this is maybe my issue. On the Storm 450 build, I think this is adjustable. Also in this picture they have it also adjustable. So yeah, anyway, the dimension, because some person that tried to help me on the forum asked me what specific links I have. So from this midpoint to this point, I have, like in the manual, about 31 millimeter. This is the manual, but you don't see it. So I have 31 millimeter from this center point to this center point. But anyway, this is specific to each build, and after you level it, you have to adjust it. Anyway, the second dimension from this point to this point, center point, of course, it's same like in the manual, which is 41 millimeter, but you will adjust this to get a pitch. This is just for information, this dimension for reference. This link, I think is the B link in the T-Rex manual. It's 33.5 in the manual. So anyway, I cannot adjust this one. This is fixed. And the final small links on top of the rotor head are they have the inside dimension of 90 millimeters. So I got the same, so from this center point to this other center point here, 90 millimeter. Now the problem that I seem to have is that the main rotor shaft is too short, yeah. So this is center point. As you can see, the servo arm is level, but when I go to the lowest point, it seems to have a very short travel, and I don't know why. So this is minimum point of the throttle, yeah, and this is maximum. So it seems to have quite a small throw. Minimum, maximum, minimum, maximum. Anyway, at maximum, this looks like this, and minimum, it's almost like it should be in center stick position. So I guess it's wrong. Also, if I look at this under the swash plate, this is minimum position. Maybe it should go a little lower, but I cannot go lower because I cannot reduce these links further. So this is minimum and this is maximum. Okay, once again, this is for a pitch value of 60 in the swash. I think no, 65 in the swash AFR menu. So just very quickly, the only adjustment I had to do was on the pitch servo on the plus treble, because on the uppest position it didn't match the other one, so this was the only thing I need to do. Throttle curve, gyro sensor, swash mix, yes. So aileron minus 60, elevator plus 60, and pitch plus 70. So in order to have a decent, like at least plus 7 or plus 8, I need to go this pitch to plus 100. So I think this is too much and something is wrong with the mechanical setup that I have. So yeah, pitch curve, normal throttle, low, okay, medium. So for normal throttle it's 50%, and for idle up, now it's throttle hold, as you can see. Now I turn off throttle mode. See, it went back to idle up 2. So it is 50 on mid stick, M 50%. So the pitch curve is correct. What I have now, throttle hold again, 50% at midpoint, and normal mode 50% at midpoint, because from midpoint up, as far as I read, and I think it's correct, these two curves should be identical. So from mid stick up, this should be identical. Otherwise, when you switch to idle up mode, you'll have a sudden jump of the heli. Okay, flight switch back, throttle switch down, program mix, and other things interesting here. So model menu,